So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to call a click event function within another click event function of any control within the CH environment. So how we can do that? First of all, we need to click on new project. Here we will select CH Windows and then Windows Forms application. And here we will write click _ 000 or any other name of our own choice. Now it will open our window. Now this is our working window. Now we will go to the toolbox, go to common controls, click on push button here. You can also take one more push button. Okay, now these are our two push buttons. We will click on push button 1 and we also need to click on push button 2. So now you can see that this event or this function is for push button 1 and this function is for push button 2. It simply means that whenever anyone press the push button 1 or 2, these functions will get executed. When someone press push button 1, this function will get executed, and when someone press push button 2, this function will get executed. So now if we want that if someone just press push button 1 and it will also induce the event for push button 2 as a click, okay, then we will change in some code. So in push button 2, just like we can write message box dot show to also clicked. Oh wait, message box dot show to clicked. Okay, so this is like this, and here we will write in push button 1 okay, so sorry, in push button 1 we can write simply push button oh sorry, button 1, okay, not push button 1, just like button 1 dot perform click. So sorry, button 2 dot perform click. Okay, and here we will start. It will just like whenever someone used to click on push button 1, it will also, this function, that is button 2 dot perform click, will also induce a click for push button 2. So here we will write message box, so we will get information from message box. So here you can see that whenever we will press push button 1, it also gave us that 2 has been clicked. Okay, so in this way we can induce or call another click function from another this click function within CH. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.